Obviously I've had the old drill out, doing some test holes, making sure the concrete is going to be deep enough and it's strong enough to take the ramps before we start putting them in. A friend of ours is going to come and give us a hand. We've got a lovely little Range Rover just come in, 63 plate Evoque. Absolutely mint this thing. So if you're looking for a car, give us a shout. We'll get you in a Range Rover. But yeah, let's get these ramps in.
Well, about that,
Just cut it.
They're doing the same on that one.
That'd be right, just cut it.
That big one behind you's going to do exactly the same when you cut that.
Right, this next one.
Oh, that's going to fall down, isn't it?
Yeah, that one will as well when you cut that behind you. That's a big one.
If not, I need some wire then.
Yeah, always.
Do you reckon you can sell cars, Dave?
I can't sell cars.
You sure?
I've got the patience.
No patience?
No.
You don't reckon?
No patience at all.
Well, you don't want to work out there in the rain, do you?
I've tried to sell cars before.
Fix it, mate. Top man.
Top mechanic. Here comes a driblet. Just snip through it, mate. Just snip through it. It'll be fine. Oh well, that was fucking shit. I was hoping that was. I was hoping that was gonna fall on your head.
They just painted the tile where they're both joining each other. You said it's wet on that second tile. The sheet, isn't it?
Making it heavy, mate. Can you fix it?
Yeah.
He can fix it.
Should be alright.
Should be alright. Should be alright. Auto services, isn't it? Where's he gone? He's fucked off. That's all he does. Nothing, literally. He's like fucking Thomas, mate.
Huh?
The Chuckle Brothers.
No good?
Nah.
I think we're going to have a leak.
Talking wet.
Order, mate, no worries. Order, buddy, I'll see you soon. Life of a trader. Fuck you, DVLA. Luckily I only got one, not two though. They gotta get one of them. They ain't getting all of them. No, the truck's got a flat battery. Not a flat battery. Flat tyre, should I say. Joys of a car trader. Parking cars with no tax and they get you. Loading her up, Chemfix, threaded bars. Got one in, one van on overnight, all good. The second one going in. Place is an absolute shithole. Won't be long till she'll be trading. Plenty of stock going out. We're winning. Winning, mate, winning.
Are you going to get a nut?
What nut? Is that underneath? Don't know. Up there somewhere, mate. We'll figure it out.
Right, so stand up and do it.
We've got good old Chinese electrics, which to the untrained eye mean nothing. But we will figure it out. Because we are the untrained eye.
Fucking brave. Yeah. All that grease.
It looks very wobbly.
Yeah, it's right. We're fine. We banking that into the ground perfect. I need some of that wire, mate.
Ask what?
So, can you string these out for me? What was that? String that one round. Yeah. And I need this one somewhere. Right there. A bit more. That'll do. Yes, no, it's not my way, mate. Deep.
Every time we move this, we put things out. That's not good, mate. That's
Yeah.
So that goes there, that goes there. And then your feet on the outside of it. So that goes in the bottom.
I'll come back.
The bottom two.
I'm trying to send you away. I can't come back.
I've got my dinner on this.
So we need to start up. Yeah, let's put and then put it back.
If you're living in that, you carry on with your dad. Hey! What did you do? Did you shave your arse, Mush?
No, I just don't know where we are.
You got Tweedledee and Tweedledum over there. Trying to build a press. I don't know what you call that thing down there on the floor. It's all coming together. So that's the ramps pretty much in. They're not too bad to fit, really. The concrete over here, when you whack it, sounds a little bit hollow. But the depth wise of the actual concrete is fine, according to the manual, so we're rolling with that. The cables are a little bit tricky to get in, but we've got around them. So not long now, rubbish man got to come out, get rid of all the crap, cut more cars to sell, so that we've got a nice runway, and then we are good to go. So yeah, that's the garage all set up. We'll update you a bit more when we've painted the floors a bit better and actually doing some work.